Hello everyone! So, kamusta? It's been a while since nung last na nag-upload ako ng video dito. And ayun, medyo late din yung gagawin kong upload. Kasi 'di ba may bago ng demo lesson si Native Camp. So, they released a new textbook uh exclusive for demo lesson. So, unlike before, parang kung ano yung textbook dun sa actual lesson, ganun rin. But iba yung textbook ngayon. So, ngayon, parang ginawa nila yung textbook na 'to mainly just for demo lesson. Okay. So, as you can see, nandito ako ngayon sa platform ni Native Camp. And ayun, ah, nandito na tayo sa how to teach. So, mapupunta kayo dito bago kayo mag-demo lesson. Okay? Kasi of course, you have to study the learning kit. You have to know kung paano mo i-deliver yung textbook. So, there. Ayan. So, may rules dyan nakalagay. English only policy, of course. While doing your demo lesson, kailangan English only lang. Bawal kayong mag-Tagalog. Okay? And, dapat nasa quiet room kayo. Kasi siyempre, hindi makakapag-concentrate yung student nyo if maingay yung environment nyo. And of course, you have to focus on the lesson and you need to stand by. Okay? Para makapasok sa inyo yung admin ni Native Camp. Okay? So, by the way, in this video, guys, we will go through each part of the textbook dun sa bagong textbook ni Native Camp. And at the end of this video, you will know how to present or deliver the textbook effectively. Okay? So remember to take some notes. Put your question at the comment section below, and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Silent your phone to avoid any interruptions. Okay? So now let's go back dito, lesson flow. Okay? So syempre kasama yan yung greetings, audio-video check, yung speech rate kasi kay Native Camp, iba-iba. May beginner, may advance. So, as a teacher, ikaw ang mag-a-adjust kung paano or kung gaano ka kabilis magsasalita. Okay? And of course, yung lesson style and the lesson proper, which is 5 minutes only. Okay? So, yung demo lesson ngayon, meron na siyang timer na 5 minutes lang. So, dapat matapos nyo yung demo lesson nyo within 5 minutes. Some admins are very strict when it comes to time management. And of course, don't forget to use the chat box efficiently. Kasi if not, kahit gaano kayo kagaling on your demo lesson, pag hindi kayo gumamit ng chat box, hindi rin po yun makakapasa. Okay? So now, you'll see here the demo lesson textbook. So just click it. And there, you'll see the textbook. Okay, so let's start discussing kung paano nyo ba i-deliver yung textbook. Okay? So, yung kanina na greetings, audio, video check, scripted na rin siya. Nandito na siya. Unlike din sa textbook before, di ba, you have to memorize it. Ngayon, hindi na. So, mas pinagaan na ni Native Camp ang inyong demo lesson. Okay? So, babasahin mo lang to. For example, dumating na si admin, magbibigay siya ng konting introduction. And then after that, you may begin. Make sure na naka-unmute ang headset mo. Okay? So, let's start. Okay? So, hello! Welcome to Native Camp. I'm teacher, for example, ang name ko ay Dimple. Okay? So, I'm teacher Dimple. May I know your name? So ngayon, di ba, I mentioned you have to use the chat box. So yung name mo, ilalagay mo sa chat box. And of course, pag sinabi ni admin yung name niya, ilalagay mo din yun sa chat box. Di ba, you will ask, may I know your name? Pag sinabi niya, for example, sabi niya is, teacher, my name is Ana. Okay, for example, Ana. So, itatype mo yung Ana doon sa chat box. And of course, you have to send it para makita niya. Okay? Pwede mong i-confirm kung tama ba yung spelling. Pwede rin naman na hindi na kung sure ka naman. Okay? So, pag sinabi niya na yung name, nice to meet you, Ana. So, before we begin, I have a few questions for you. First, can you hear me and see me clearly? So, pwede kayong mag-hand gestures, like, lagay mo yung hand mo sa ears mo and sa eyes mo. Ganon. After that, pag sumagot na siya, let's say, sinabi niyang yes. So, i-next mo naman to. Is my speaking speed okay with you or do I need to slow down? Siyempre, wait mo din na sumagot si admin. Pag sumagot na siya, alright, so perfect. Let's get started with the lesson. The title is, may nakalagay ditong title. Ibig sabihin, babasahin mo yung title. Saan mo makikita yung title? Dito po sa gilid. Okay? So, let's do it. Perfect. Let's get started with the lesson. The title is Advancing Flavor Science, Smart Tongue. Okay? Ganun siya. Pag natapos na kayo sa part na to, scroll down kayo ng kaunti and then dito na. Okay? So now, let's have words and phrases. So let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Let's have the first word. Please repeat after me once. So, nasan ba yung first word? Ito siya. So, sasabihin mo, multiple. Okay? So, now, let's read the sample sentence. Repeat after me once. Nasan ba yung sample sentence? Ito po. So, we made multiple copies of the report. Okay, ganun po siya. Okay? So, great. Do you have any questions? Ganun. Wag niyo na pong basahin yung ibig sabihin ng multiple kasi baka hindi magkasya yung 5 minutes din sa demo lesson. Yan. Pag tinanong mo yan, do you have any questions? So, either may question or wala si admin. But don't forget to ask, do you have any questions? Pag sinabi ni admin na none, okay, so since you don't have any question, let's move on to the next part, comprehension. So, please look at the listening focus and read the direction. Okay, sabi mo, read the directions. So, give time to the admin to check the directions. Wag mo agad babasahin to kasi mag-check pa siya ng direction. Okay? So now, pag sinabi niyang I'm done, so let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. Please look at the questions as I read it twice. Number 1, what did a research team develop? Again, what did a research team develop? Sabi mo kasi twice. So twice mo siyang babasahin. Okay? So after that, we're going to listen to the audio. Are you ready? Sinabi niyang yes, it starts now. Click mo lang po.
Advancing Flavor Science, Smart Tongue.
Okay? So, wait mo na matapos i-play yung buong audio. Pag natapos na, isunod mo na to. So, well done. This time, let's proceed to answer the questions. So, I'll read the question and please say your answer out loud. Let's start with number 1. So, what did a research team develop? Ilagay mo rin po ito sa chat box, copy-paste mo. Okay? And of course, you're going to wait dun kay admin na sumagot. So, syempre, nasa demo lesson ka, it's either ito po ang ibigay niyang sagot, or ibang sentence, or magmamali po siya ng sagot dyan. Okay? Of course, the admin will test you. Kung kaya mo ba siyang i-correct. Kung mapapansin mo ba na mali yung sagot niya. Ganun siya. Okay? So, let's say na itama mo na. So, yung way ng pagtatama po niyan ay depende po sa inyo kung paano kayo magtama ng student niyo. Okay? So, ngayon, pag tama naman yung binigay niyang sagot, alright, so very good. That's the correct answer. Pwede mo tong i-copy paste doon sa chat box. Okay? So, before we proceed, do you have any question? Tanungin mo ulit yun. After that, let's move on to the next activity, discussion. Please look at the directions. Kung wala na siyang further question, basahin mo na to. Okay, sabi mo, look at the direction. So, magbigay ka ulit 5 seconds kay admin. After that, pag sinabi niyang I'm done, so now please answer the question freely or by using the situation given. So, I'll read the question, then you can answer freely or open the answer key to have a better idea of how to answer. So, let's start with number 1. So, babasahin mo po itong question. Ika-copy paste mo din sa chat box. Okay, so do you think that an artificial tongue can mimic a human one? Why or why not? So, ngayon po si admin either sasagot siya ng sarili niyang opinion or kukuha po siya dito sa answer key. So, click niyo lang tong arrow para makita niyo yung answer key. Ayan. Ito yung answer key. Huwag kayong malilito. Dalawa kasi yan. So, isa, answer key. Yung isa naman, sample answer. So, answer key, dito pwedeng kumuha ng idea yung student mo or si admin. Pag nakita mo na dito naman siya kumuha, so copy mo lang. Okay? Tapos, sabihin mo, great, you said. Ayan, yes. Basahin mo. But you could also say, please look at the chat box and repeat after me. Kung yes ang sagot ni admin, kukunin mo ngayon yung sample answer na yes. Yan yung ika-copy mo sa chat box and yan yung babasahin mo at ipapa-repeat mo kay admin. Okay? Pag nabasa mo na, i-repeat na ni admin. And then, kung meron pa kayong time, pwede mong ibigay yung sample answer for no. So, since we still have time, Anna, I do have a sample answer for no here. I'll put it in the chat box. Repeat after me. Ganun po. Okay? And it mentioned dito sa learning kit na in the actual lesson, a review is conducted at the end of the lesson but will be omitted in the demo lesson. So, pagtapos na kayo dito sa sample answer na repeat na ni student, hindi mo na kailangan mag-review. Kasi, omitted na siya dito. But of course, pag pumasa ka na, kailangan mo na yun. Okay? And after noon, end the lesson na lang. So, provide your closing spiel kung ano mang script mo sa closing spiel. Okay? So, yun na yun. After that, magbibigay na ng feedback yung admin. Depende dun sa performance mo. Okay? So, I'll give you a few tips and reminders. Always look at the camera. Once in a while. Dapat energetic kayo. And dapat hindi boring yung demo lesson nyo. So, paano ba siya hindi magiging boring? Dapat energetic. Pag energetic ka, hindi magiging boring ang admin. And of course, you have to enjoy your demo lesson. Okay? Make sure that you have a plain background, a good internet connection. Okay? And of course, yun nga, enjoy your demo lesson and good luck. I hope makapasa kayo and makapag-start kayo ng joining kay Native Camp. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. And God bless everyone.